fire and water restoration and reconstruction work. GenStone product I find very versatile, very affordable, very clean install to get the same finished look of a stone product. What I love about GenStone, you pretty much have two edges to cover and they just overlap. Almost like putting a puzzle together. Not even a puzzle, it's very simple. Just two edges, boom, a couple screws, seal the joints, next piece, and you keep rolling. And it's very easy to install it. I recommend the GenStone product if you're looking to achieve the look and the quality finish of a stone product and you're looking for ease of installation, value add within the budget. I think it's a fantastic product and I don't see us going back to the traditional stone method anytime soon.